Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So in my last video I mentioned that I got a package from 357 Magdad, and when I rewatched the video I realized I never once said thank you. So thank you, sir. I appreciate it very much. So two of the other things that he sent me were these two wrenches. They are identical except in their condition. This one is extremely pitted, and I'm not sure what I can do with it, but it works. And this one works as well, but this one's a little tight. I just decided that I think what I'll do is I will work on them both and just see where we go with it. So let's get after it. Well, I believe that is it. I may have gotten these two little screw things backwards on one on the wrong wrench, because this one won't close. So I will have to do some swapping back and forth to see if I can make that work right. But in any case, it's done, and you know, they both work and they both look pretty good. I've kind of had it with that red transparent paint. You can't go wrong with that black Krylon. It just looks, it goes on really well, and it's pretty sturdy. So we'll leave it at that. Hey, thanks very much for watching. I appreciate it. See you next time.